then he said, now so Nhini. They have no roots or depthness of earth. What penao kakra na simninti amane huna na watai bape na tuom hintidia. In them, these times are boss like Christopher. It doesn't take long for them to be offended. They are quick to make friends, and the next thing is they fight. Because they get offended, and the next thing they fight. The preacher can offend them. The message can offend them. The church can offend them. God can offend them. God. Those are the people who are angry with God. They can be angry with God. The stony place, Asoreba. Asoreba, where abuoso, Asoreba. Or dabuoso. From now until 25th December, I have an assignment. I've realized that many people have gone to church or attended church or been Christians for many years and they receive nothing. Oh, please. God is not wicked like the way you people are perceiving. I'm telling you, because if God is as good as he is, I'm telling you by now that you should be flourishing. Telling you. The reason is because we do not understand the protocol or the rules of engagement of God. And so we take God and we feel like God is like our politicians and God is like MPP, NDC, and we talk anyhow to the Holy Spirit. We behave anyhow in the house of God. We live anyhow thinking that we are doing God a favor like we do the parties a favor. God is God with you or without you. God will still be God whether you serve him or you reject him. God will be God whether you come or you reject to come. God is God. Nyame nyame. It's a privilege for you to come and bow down and serve the Lord. It's an honor. It's a privilege. It's an opportunity. We don't joke with that opportunity. You don't serve God as if you are doing him a favor. Onyame Antone Swaba yanchire no ho adwene wo se masem ni opa tochene